and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So it is currently 9:30 on Monday morning and I am so excited today. Basically, a new Home Bargains has just opened up in Bedford. As you know, I used to go to the Home Bargains in Rushden, but it's such a trek. I am so happy that they've opened one up in Bedford now. So we thought we'd take a little trip down there today. I'm with Chloe, my daughter. We're just about to drop Amelia off at nursery and then we're going to head over to Home Bargains. Also, there's a Home Sense over there, Hobbycraft, all little shops like that as well. So we might, depending on how much time we have, because we've obviously got to pick Amelia back up from nursery, depending on how much time we have, we might pop in there as well. If not, I'll probably do a different one for Home Sense because I really want to go in there as well. I just want to see if they've got some nice autumn bits in. I want to look at like maybe some pumpkin ornaments. I want to get some little dry leaves for the house just to give it a little bit of an autumn look. Also, obviously candles, stuff like that. And at the minute I'm really low on cleaning bits, so I need to pick up some of that as well. So before we get going, if you like this video, you know what to do, guys. Smash that thumbs up button. Also, if you're not subscribed to this little family on YouTube already, please come and join us. I would love you to come and join us. So without further ado, let's get going. So we're finally in the new Home Bargains. I'm so excited! The first thing you see when you come in here is loads of wash stuff, loads of bubble bath, all stuff like that you normally see in the Home Bargains. They've got some really nice little... Oh, this is cute. There's no price for that though. This is really good, the Nivea bath cream. This is actually only £1.99. Then they got loads more bath stuff. Flannels down there for 29p. You cannot go wrong with those. And actually they're really, really soft. I don't know whether you can actually hear me over this mask, because last time I recorded you couldn't hear very well. But I'll try and do the best that I can.
I like that. Drop it like a sloth.
Oh god, Brenna would love that. 99p. He would love that.
Let's flamingo.
Oh look, and there's a dolphin one there as well. They're 99p they are.
Right, nice.
Imperial leather. I like these, the foam baths, foam burst. They're £1.99.
Okay.
On the other side you have all the food, you have cereal, you have cereal bars, more turkey and stuffing crisps. They brought out the Christmas crisps already, look. £2.79 and pigs in blankets. That's so funny. Got big bags of Doritos. I know. Look at the size of the Doritos. Oh, you get 5 packs in there.
Yeah, they're not packed.
I know, that's one bag of crisps. Put your hand there again. Look how big this bag of crisps are. That is definitely a sharing bag. They also have this skinny sauce. I've never seen this before, but it looks a bit like prawn cocktail sauce. It says sexy sauce. Then they do it in a sweet chili mayo, and they are £1.99. A little few Christmas bits. Have yourself a merry little Jaffa. My son absolutely loves Jaffa cakes. Here they've got new drumstick chocolate bars. I have never ever heard of these. Drumstick chocolate bars, which are 99p. Also have the Hershey's, all that good stuff. Up here you've got a massive box of Jelly Babies and wine gums for £3.99. I love these. They do these in Lidl's and Aldi's, don't they? Yeah. They're 69p, but I really recommend these biscuits. They're so nice. They've also got a big box of Thornton cream selection for £1.99. So they've got a new Sephora out, which is Peony Blush, and it's the real big bottle. This one is £3.99. For £8.99 they do this ring light, and Chloe got hers on eBay for £40, but they're doing it in here for £8.99. This I can recommend this. It's really good, isn't it?
Yeah, that's amazing.
All the light changes colours. No, it doesn't change colours.
Yeah, it does.
No, it changes from warm
Colour
to...
modes. 3 times colour modes.
Yeah, so it's got a free colour mode on it, but for £8.99, guys, honestly, that is amazing. I found one of these, which is is this a Christmas set? Yeah, sweet apple. I bet that's really nice actually, sweet apple.
Yeah, look, that's 99. This is 95.
And it's £4.49. That's quite expensive, isn't it? I swear that's cheaper in B&M. They have a couple of new comforts out in here, which are £2.49. You've got Aqua Bloom, which is this one. And then here, what was on this? Lavish Blossom, which is the lilac one. But Febreze Bathroom Fresh.
Elbow grease is 95.
And if you buy 3, it's £5. That's actually really good because I think they're about £3.99 each. So that is really good. We have some Yankee candles in here. Can you read that, close? I can't read it. I'm blind as a
English
bat.
pear and white grape.
And then
you've got
over here you've
crisp
got...
apple and jasmine. That would
Oh, I bet they're nice actually. £8.99 they are. How good is that? £8.99. So at the top of every section in here, every aisle, they have like a sign that says what it's for. So you've got hair care here. Over there you've got fragrances, and the one that's really getting to me is that seasonal one over there. So I'm going to go over there in a minute. So we're in the fragrance bit, and they have a cabinet like this, which has got all the different fragrances in. And it's really inexpensive compared to Boots and places like that. They do loads of face masks in here, hand wipes, and they've got a massive collection of face masks. I feel like this is just the norm now. They've even got a face mask here, and it has a glittery headband with it. Hey ho. And they do it in pink as well. I've just literally nearly screamed because we've come down the Christmas aisle. I don't really want to do a lot of Christmas content on this video today because I want to do a whole video, just absolute whole video that's all about Christmas stuff. So I'm not going to show you too much. So here's a little teaser of what they've got coming in Home Bargains. Oh, those slippers are so cute. Hairbands. It's all the little Christmas gifts. But yeah, like I said, I want to do a whole video all with all the Christmas stuff that they have in here and all the other shops that I go to. So I'm not going to do too much Christmas content today. So if you're looking for any sweets or anything like that for your trick-or-treaters that knock on the door, Home Bargains have got you. They've literally got so much stuff in here, so much. I'm going to have to pick up some stuff today just so I don't miss my little trick-or-treaters. But they literally have so much stuff, like loads. It just goes on and on and on. Loads of Halloween stuff in here, stuff to go on the door, stuff to hang. We've got little cauldrons here, and they're so inexpensive. Little cauldron there is for 99p. Up above it you've got these little baskets. How cute are they? £1.99. And you've got these little plastic ones here for 89p. Got a trick or treat bag up there. Not sure how much it is. 79p that one is. More Halloween decorations. That's a good idea, having a bag instead of an actual bucket or a box. So lanterns up there for £1.29. So down here they've got some tableware party bits that start at 59p. This stuff is amazing. It's not picking it up on camera, but it's really glittery. And they've got all this hanging stuff to put on your door. What's that thing there, Chloe?
What thing?
That?
Oh, the candles.
Candle? Oh, it's a candle. I couldn't see the top of it. Stuff to stick on your window. They're £1.29. And then just lots more decorations. They've even got some LED lights up there as well. That's cool. Actually quite a quiet area, and it doesn't really, I don't get that many people around, which is good because Nona doesn't like it.
Star.
This little costume is so cute for £6.99 for a little boy or even a little girl. Then they've got a pumpkin little outfit here for a little child. This dress is really pretty as well. How much is that? And they're also £6.99. Also do a whole range of makeup if you're looking to do your makeup for Halloween. They have got you in here. It starts from 79p, is it?
Yeah.
79p up. But they've got loads of stuff in here to make you look so good for Halloween. Then they have their regular rose gold selection. Bags. Cups with the letters on. Makeup bags. Got a little perfume selection there for £1.99. Those little things there are mirrors for £1.59. These are so cute. How cozy and warm will you feel in this? It's got earmuffs and then you've got a drinking cup as well, and it says the snuggle as well. And that is £4.99. So honestly, if you're looking to do your Christmas shopping, come to those bargains. They have absolutely loads of toys in here today. Loads. Like when I say loads, this aisle just literally goes all the way to the end down there. This is literally the cleaning aisle of dreams. I've never seen a cleaning aisle so packed. This is amazing considering they open Saturday and they still have all this stuff in. So if you see, then you've got this side also. It goes all the way down to the bottom. I'm so excited. Come down here, they've got Minkies in here for £2.49, and this one which is for the bathroom. This one I've actually got and it's really good. It's good for doing mirrors and stuff like that. That's £2.79. Also, I highly recommend these magic erasers. They are so good for getting little dirt marks off your walls for £1.99. So you've got Oven Pride up there, which I highly recommend. That is so good. Also up here you've got the Oslo. That's meant to be good. I do want to try that out. So Mrs. Hinch put this on her stories the other day. It's a Lotus Flower Astonish Carpet and Upholstery. It's a stain remover, tough stains, and it just removes all stains from your furniture. From like carpets and sofas, chairs, all sorts of things like that. And it is only £1.79. So this is the Pink Stuff Cream and this is the paste. Highly recommend both of those, honestly. You already know about the Pink Stuff on my channel. It took me forever to get hold of that paste, but now you can get it everywhere and anywhere. So 99p for this, 89p for the paste. Lots of Sephora's, but I can't see any Christmas ones. But I want to pick up this one down here, which is Midnight Bloom, is it?
Yeah.
This is meant to smell like Alien. Everyone's been going on about how it smells like Alien. And this is quite a big bottle, so it's £1.99. So I'm going to pick that up today. This is new. I've not seen this one. It's Orchard Pear. I've not seen that one before, and that's also £1.99. These are the bigger bottles, and then you've got even bigger bottles here. You've got Peony Blush here, Springtime, and your good old Linen Fresh and Lemon Zing. Like I said, there's no Christmassy ones in yet, so I have to come back for those. But I'm definitely picking up that one today. I've also got that Twilight Garden, that is so nice. So you've got some new Fabulosa in here for 89p. These are so good for the size of these. For 89p, you're getting such a bargain. They've got some new fragrances. This is a raspberry fragrance, and I can't even read that. Frangipani, I don't know. And then they also do this one, which is a mixed berry one. Oh, I bet that's beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna have to pick that up, aren't I? I love anything with berries in it. They also do this one, which is pineapple and coconut. Then they've got your Electrify one, which is that Electrify? Oh, this is unicorn dust. I heard of that one. New pet one, which is sage and vanilla. I'm not sure about that one. They also do this one, which is a pet one, which is blueberry and cranberry. Oh, I might get that one instead actually. These are £1.79, but they're so good because obviously for pets. And I've just finished my one for pets. Yeah, I might have to pick that up today. And they've got Pure Bliss and this one here, which is Truly Fresh. We are back from our shopping trip from Home Bargains. I've actually picked up 2 bags, but I'm going to save that for a haul. Pose here too. And we've got little Mies down here who's so tired from being at nursery. So she's probably going to have a little nap right now. But yeah, we're back now. Home Bargains was so busy. I don't really like going when it's that busy, but we did pick up a few bits, so I'm going to show you that in another video. Let me know down below if you want to see that. That is Amelia's nursery rhyme book. I hope I don't get copyrighted for nursery rhyme. But anyway, we are back now, and I wanted to finish the video here. Say goodbye to you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to show it some love, smash that thumbs up button, don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.
Bye.
Mwah.